Well, ganito I think this is unpopular to everybody. For me, sa tingin ko ngayon pala nag-i-start mag-recover yung team. Okay, coming from university games. Kailan university games? I wasn't there kasi merong high school tournament UAE. So, they went to Dipolog to play for the university games. Luckily, nag-champion. And after that, tuloy-tuloy kami sa training. We had series of practice games against top club teams. Okay, we had 2 wins and 1 loss. And then continuous pa rin ang training. So para sa akin, I think medyo kulang pa sa recovery yung team namin. That's why we perform like this. Yun lang ang masasabi ko talaga. Yun lang ang masasabi ko. Pero good thing, I think ngayon nakapag-rest ng ilang araw. I think yun yung importante sa amin ngayon, makapag-rest muna.
Coach naman, Bella and you have 18 attacks, 3 blocks, 24 digs, and 10 excellent receptions. So, it's a good bounce back game for you after you scored only 9 points in the opening match. So, ano yung game niyo kung nagkatutut for this game?
Siyempre po, isa po sa pinaghuhugutan namin or ako is yung pagkatalo namin no last game namin, which is against USD. And yun nga, mahirap po yung yung pinagdahanan namin ngayon. Pero I'm really happy kasi halos lahat ng nasa lineup na gamit. And nakita namin ano yung mga potential ng mga lalo yung mga bago namin. And kung ano yung pwede namin may-apply sa next game namin. Siguro from this, titignan namin kung ano pa yung mga dapat namin improve, ano yung mga lapses namin. And yun, balik kami sa training.
For me naman po, same lang din as Ate Bel. Kailangan din talaga namin pagtrabahuan every game kasi nakikita naman sa performance namin na hindi talaga, parang hindi talaga kami. So, yun lang, parang pagbalik naman sa training namin, dinadahan-dahan namin. Nakita ko naman ngayong game na to na parang bumabalik na kami. Yung 5th set, nakita ko siya. And masaya ako. Sino nakita ko?
Baka may nakita ka din namin nakikita.
Okay, the floor.